Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. And firstly I will show you how to call it by default, and then I will show you how to customize and add this feature to another gesture. Okay, so by default to call voice assistant you need to use your right earbud. At the back side we have touch area. You need to press and hold at the touch area. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Now, how to customize it? We need to use an application, and you need to open EARFUN Audio app. Then you need to, of course, add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your earbuds. Scroll down, and you need to find Customize Controls, and make sure that you do not disable all controls. So Customize. Now, we can add for the left or right earbud. As you can see, we have it for the press and hold. But let's say I wanna add it for the left earbud. I can add it for the single press, double press, triple press, and press and hold. The same for the right earbud. And let's say I wanna add it for the double press. I click at this line, then select Voice Assistant. Now let's check it. So my left earbud, 1, 2. And as you can see, I also call Google Assistant. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!